What's up, YouTube? Long time no see, but getting back in the game. We're back in the States. Had to come back for a little bit for a family emergency, but everything's all right. So we'll probably be here for a little bit. Y'all be on our adventures while we're here, and then soon we'll be hitting either Brazil or Colombia in November, and of course we're gonna take y'all with you for that. But anyway, we got a new purchase.
Yeah.
Make the videos a little bit better. See what we got. It's a little quick unboxing for the channel.
If I could get it out of the box. My goodness. Dun, 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 dun.
Got a little drone so we can, get them high up shots. Get the shots of the beach and all that other nonsense. Open it up, see what's in there.
I have no idea what this is, but it looks cool.
It's the new flip drone. Everybody talking about it. People saying good things, people saying bad things, but it's my first one, so I'm hyped.
All right, here, you do it. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. There we go.
This thing's light. I gotta do a little test run real quick. Now we got extra blades. That's nice. Oh, this thing heavy. It's way more than the drone. And then we got the remote control. Connect your phone up to this thing. And then you keep it pushing.
So we'll see you all at Cooper River Park, where we'll do just like a initial test run, right?
Yep.
All right. We'll see you guys soon.
So I never even used a drone before, to be honest with y'all. We gonna learn today.
I can't even. Oh, there it is. It goes really high. And there it goes. That's super high. I have no idea what it is, but it looks really cool.
Look at the view, look at the view.
There's the view. Oh, let me get out of the way. They can see it.
This is crazy.
That's crazy. That looks really cool. Oh, there it is. No, that's a bird. Never mind. Well,
Alright, let's return to home, y'all, because the battery's about to die. I barely charged it. So let's see it come back.
I hear it, but I do not see it.
See it?
No,
Oh,
okay. Now I see it.
Oh, this is crazy.
So it's coming back because it died. Well, that's cool. It automatically detects when it dies, so it'll return back to wherever you sent it off at.
Yeah.
Wherever you took off.
Alright, y'all. So we find some good content coming with this joint soon. Really, really soon. I'm excited.
All right, there it goes, coming back. I honestly can't even see it. There it is. smooth landing. That would freak me out. I will never operate this thing. But that was really smooth and safe.
This is crazy.
Alright, what's your outro?
Peace.